Hello and welcome to our radio show. Today, me and Israel are going to talk about the relationship between chemistry and food, chemistry and medicine, chemistry and warfare, and chemistry and global warming. Also, we will talk about the three best solutions to the problem of the melting of the polar caps. We are going to start with food. Chemistry in this field has created the artificial colors and flavors that we already know. But they aren't good for us because they can be made of many kinds of chemicals. Another creation is the aspartame. That is a sugar substitute for people in diets, but is not recommended for pregnant women because babies can born without the ability to metabolize phenylalanine. Our next field is medicine. Medicine and chemistry have a strong and big relation. The clear understanding of organic chemistry is essential for the study of medicine because it plays an important role in biomedical processes. Also, the organic chemistry is really important in pharmacology. A creation between these sciences are the aminoglycosides. These antibiotics are often administered into veins or muscles to treat serious bacterial infections. Another creation are the antiseptics. They are antimicrobial substances that are applied to reduce the possibility of infection, sepsis, or putrefaction. The most of them are true germicides. This means that they are capable of destroying microbes. Our third field is chemistry and war. Chemistry and war have been attached since the First World War, when many soldiers used lethal gases such as phosgene, chlorine, and mustard gas to kill the enemy without losing people. This killing method expanded to the Second World War, and the only difference between them is that in this war soldiers used tear gases. The use of chemistry for war purposes is called chemical warfare.
Now, as a reflection of how chemistry is involved in the modern world, we can conclude that chemistry is involved in every problem of the world, as well as in every solution. There is not something in this planet that does not have relation with chemistry, and this leads to a constant discovery of chemical technology, since every situation requires chemistry in all its forms. This can be summed in the importance of chemistry in our modern world, in every single action we take, and everything plays in it. Now we are about to talk about the three of the most important or the best solutions for the problem the melting of polar ice caps. First, one simple solution that is one of the most known is basically to paint all the roofs from the Antarctic houses of white. This would refract the sunlight to the exterior of the atmosphere, and this will let heat stay away from polar ice caps. Second, of course, some scientists still have their beliefs in the capability of people in solving this problem. So what they recommend is to take an individual action over this, that every individual takes its responsibility to have a better environment. 3. And last but not least is to send a satellite. There is a type of satellite that can stay in the same part of the earth while orbiting it. So it would reflect the sunlight without letting it fully pass, and this would decrease the heat ranges in these areas. Some examples of how chemistry is involved in global warming are reactions that have an impact over climate change. For example, the carbon dioxide is a byproduct resulted from the combustion of fuels like oil and coal. This had an increase since the Industrial Revolution, where these fossil fuels started to be more used, and because of that, the burning of fuels for energy also increased. In this combustion process, the O2 reacts with glucose, producing water and CO2. And while this matter burns, energy is produced in form of heat and light. Another clear example are the greenhouse gases, like chlorofluorocarbons and anthropogenic. These are compounds created by humans, since there is no natural source involved in greenhouse gases that contains chlorine, fluorine, or carbon. There is also methane, which can be produced in many ways. The one that has a bigger impact in climate change occurs in freshwater wetlands, such as rice paddies. And well, that's all for now. That's how chemistry is related with every science field. Thanks for hearing our radio program. We hope you like it.